Good afternoon. Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing Contenders draft for Joey. Good luck, man. Okay. Thank you for collecting Panini. These are base. It's base. The autograph. Tony Pollard. These are just Darwin Thompson for the Aggies. Bruce Anderson. I think that's North Dakota State Bison. Rock Yassin. Oh, really? Just outside of Fargo? And Adam Thielen, 80 of 99. I'm sorry, 30 of 99. There, man. Box number 1. Way to go, Joey. 11 of 23. Kyler Murray, cracked ice, school colors. There you go. Number 1 hits again. Let me get.
You hear that?
What's that?
They're expecting 350,000 people for the draft.
No.
That's what they just said.
Yeah, well, that makes it easy for me. TJ Hawkinson, Iowa Hawkeyes. Is this the tight end that's supposed to be drafted high? I know one of the there are 2 high tight ends. Joey, any more? Yeah, that was a killer box. Because Hawkinson, Box 1. Box 1 Bowman Jumbo, right? Thaddeus, man, I don't have any first off the line. I'm sorry. We weren't lucky enough to get any, as always. This was box 1, man. Okay, here we go.